The Algonquin. I hope I pronounced that without causing an international incident, as getting me to pronounce certain names and words can sound like gravel in a tumble dryer, rather than being delivered with a Shakespearean authority you'd expect of a typical British person. This month, we're back doing boozy cocktails. I think that's what the people want. As the mocktail videos last month, the algorithm done me dirty, suggesting it to a Vietnamese ice cream advert, a discount store, and a dance video game tutorial. So the lesson was learned, and if you're new around these parts, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Today we're going to be working with Rye Whiskey, which I have to admit is not one of my favourites. I much prefer bourbon. This is a simple shake and drink, which also consists of a dry vermouth and pineapple juice. Let's kick this off by adding 1.5 ounces, that's 45 ml of rye whiskey to our shaker. Follow up with 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5 ml of pineapple juice. Add 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5 ml of dry vermouth. Add ice and shake for around 10 to 13 seconds. History-wise, this drink was thought to be named after the Algonquin Hotel in New York City, where celebrities frequented, although it's thought to have been a dry hotel well before Prohibition. It's thought to have started appearing around the 1930s. Double strain into a chilled coupe glass. Garnish with a piece of pineapple and a cherry. The taste test. The spice of the rye is the most prevalent here. It's like a lighter, dry version of a Manhattan with the addition of pineapple juice. It's very boozy. The pineapple kind of disappears into the background. You don't really pick it up at all with this. I get the rye overwhelmingly, which then backs into like a bit of a dry botanics, which you'd associate with vermouth at the end. Not my kind of drink at all. I'm not a big rye fan, so there will be some bias in this score. I'm going to give this a 4.8 out of 10.